It's very difficult to integrate into the Northern Ireland society for several reasons. Race is one of them.
I've lived the last 30 years in a housing estate. It's very strange on these housing estates because people don't come out, they want to be invisible.
Pobl yn dweud, I'm not into the outdoors o gwbl, not for me. Sgynny nhw am y pres am yr offer, y pres am yr qualifications da chi angen I actually gweithio yn y sector awr agorad.
I spent years in recovery. I was clean and sober, but it wasn't just about being stable. It was about finding a purpose.
Now, more than ever, communities are feeling the pressure, economic, environmental, social challenges, people that might seek to divide us.
Anti-migrants rhetoric is becoming more popular. Racial inequality hinders integration because of prejudices.
I was really aware that we needed to come to the park to have access to nature and also access to other people.
O'n i'n gwybod bod ni eisiau gweithio efo pobl ond yn y sector awr agorad, ond o'n i'n really sure sut ti'n mynd yn ôl.
It was hard to get back into work because of the stigma of being in recovery. That I knew there was other people like me that really wanted to move on.
At the National Lottery Community Fund, we know that real change can happen when communities come together. We really believe it starts with community.
Belfast City of Sanctuary promote a culture of welcome, safety and inclusion. And we believe Belfast is for everybody. So we create events like this to bring people into learn different cultures, to be themselves, to heal from isolation.
Incredible Edible Lambeth is a network of food growers and we help to connect them to each other, to resources, and we help to upskill people.
The Outdoor Partnership is set up to make that generational change. We engage with local young people, break down barriers to access well-paid work.
Grace provides support for people who have been through life trauma, addictions, mental health, homelessness, and every single person that comes in is treated with empathy.
Last year, thanks to National Lottery players, we were able to back projects that reached nearly 7 million people across the UK.
The importance of action starting from the ground is that people know what solutions they need.
I've always been eternally grateful to the National Lottery Community Fund. They've been with us throughout our journey.
Mae'r partneriaeth dwi'n mor ddiolchgar i'r partneriaeth oherwydd maen nhw wedi hollol newid bywyd fi. Wedi cael sgiliau newydd, gael cyflog sydd wedi'n meddwl wrth ymwyl teulu fi, wrth ymwyl ffrindiau fi.
We're here to listen and work with the communities through the good times and the hard times. And we'll share those learnings to help others grow.
When I look around this room, I see Johnny's strength, resilience, and hope.